There we go.
So we are about to go on Winnie the Pooh, and this is for my good friend and cousin, Imogen, and I love you. So this ride basically kind of for her because she loves Winnie the Pooh. So I love you as well, cousin. And I'll see you there. Bye. That's ours. One day the 100 acre wood, the east wind
Traded places with East wind traded places with
Oh, Eeyore!
Yes, he'll never reach that tree.
Oh dear, hang on tightly,
My boys. Yep, you are a kite. Okay, I'll tell you in a minute why I just slipped down on the floor. Sorry. Oh! Tickle! Gee! Oh, God! How was his tail like that? Oh my God, my dress! Funny!
I almost bounced right out of the ride.
I almost... Okay, Ticket's annoying.
They steal honey.
Woo! That's good. He's a ghost?
He's dreaming.
Wait, Winnie's dead? No, he's not. Alright. Oh, that's creepy. If this is in Winnie's mind, what is he been dreaming of? Oh, this is in Minnie's... Oh, I don't like this. It's very scary. Oh, that's cute, actually. That's cute, that's cute. Oh, I love that one. This reminds me of Dumbo. Is it Dumbo?
These they have
When they're drunk. When they're drunk, they basically have a dream about elephants go crazy. Oh, I love that. I love it. Eeyore! I love the owls just sat there just going, hey. Everyone else? Okay, who's a bit crazy?
Gathered together to say,
Hey! Aw, so cute! Honey. Oh, we're stuck.
Hey, Winnie.
Hey, Winnie the Pooh. Winnie the Pooh.
in his way. Didn't get any Winnie. Sorry.
I'm not sure if it could hit, but basically I looked down, and the reason I looked down was because the old Winnie the Pooh hasn't always been Winnie the Pooh. I think some Disney people know this, but Winnie the Pooh used to be Mr. Toad's Wild Adventure, and after Mr. Toad got a bit unpopular and Winnie the Pooh shot up, they changed it around to Winnie the Pooh instead. And in that scene where I looked down, on the floor, you can see Mr. Toad giving the deed to Mr. Owl. Or, I'm not sure if he's called Mr. Owl, but he's called Owl. And on the other picture, there is a picture of, I'm not sure the character's name, so I'll just put a picture on the screen. He was talking to Winnie the Pooh. So that's the only thing I know of that is in the ride that is from Mr. Toad's Wild Adventure, an old ride. I'm not sure if California has that, correct me if I'm wrong. And correct me if there's also other things. So in that room, if you just want to look really down there, it's pretty hard because where there's Mr. Owl and where there's Mr. Toad and Mr. Owl with the deed, basically, if you're not right on the left side, you're very unlikely to see it because it's right on the floor. Both the pictures are right on the floor. One of them, the one where Winnie the Pooh's talking to the, sorry, I forget his name. Sorry, you've just seen the picture, so yeah. He's right, kind of a few seconds in. We just look down right on the right, you'll see it. And on the left, like I said, there's the deed. And that's right now the only thing on that ride with about Mr. Toad. But we didn't actually film this, I don't think. But there is a bit after Haunted Mansion, there is a pet cemetery. And if you go in there is Mr. Toad doing this as a statue. And sometimes it can get moved in storms and everything. And it's apparently cast members say that it says, apparently it said, can you stop talking? Apparently it says, here lies Mr. Toad, sad but true, not as popular as Winnie the Pooh. And I think that's actually quite funny. That I think it's not trying to be funny that Mr. Toad's not popular, but I think it's just a really funny rhyme kind of thing. I'm sorry, I'm not trying to be rude. I just find it really funny for some reason. I find loads of good rhymes good, and I think that's one of the best rhymes I've heard of, because all over the graves you can see different rhymes, and I think that's the best rhyme. And I have seen when it's been moved around before that it's not at the front and it's not at the sides, so it could be at the back or at the bottom of the base, or there could be none and people just making it up so it sounds good. Not sure though. So that is all from me today, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!